Welcome to Pakistan Ordinance Factory's semi-automatic MP5. Well, we call it POF here. This weapon is made by Pakistan Ordinance Factories, one of the finest arms and ammunition manufacturing facility in the world, which is supplying the entire small arms and ammunition for the Pakistani armed forces. So, traditionally, they are builders of military-grade weapons for the Pakistan Army. But for the first time, they have introduced the famous Heckler Koch Mp5 into semi-automatic mode for the civilian and commercial market as well. So this is legally in Pakistan called a pistol, not a rifle, because the barrel length is around 9 inches, and legally any weapon which has a barrel length of 9 or smaller is considered a pistol, maybe a large pistol, but still a pistol. So Pakistan Ordnance Factories have just recently marketed these. These are, if you are familiar with the MP5, the Heckler & Koch reliability and the reliability of the Pakistan Ordnance Factory's manufacturing, then this is a weapon you can truly trust your life, honor and property with. We have this particular model that I have, normally is sold without the butt, and you can add a butt stock later. So what you have is a large pistol without the butt stock with 20 rounds magazine capacity. But you can obviously add the larger and the bigger magazines. I'll show that to you later as well. Into this normal standard MP5 magazines can also be added to it, and you can of course have accessories, a Picatinny rail on top and a retractable butt or any other red dot sight over it, and then but legally this remains a pistol because the barrel length does not change. So if this weapon, as I've been told, is being exported to United States as well, but I would really like its export to be to other countries as well. People are not very well aware of this product. Normally they know of G3s and MP5s made by Pakistan Ordnance Factories, but POF5, this commercial version, semi-automatic MP5 for civilian market, is a fascinating weapon. I've test fired it, I've used it. The reliability, as I said, is absolutely trustworthy. Accuracy is fantastic. It has not jammed. There's no jamming, there is no stoppage. And the adaptability of the weapon, I can take the butt out and make it into a large pistol, or I can add it and make it a small rifle. But nevertheless, the quality of the weapon, the reliability is fascinating. So I would strongly recommend, if you are in Pakistan and you have a legal license to carry a weapon or to buy a weapon, then you can definitely go for this POF5 semi-automatic version of the famous MP5 rifle. And if you're outside the country, you're looking for a good weapon, you can definitely contact Pakistan Ordnance Factories for purchase of this machine pistol. Stay blessed. Few shots, change your magazine and see how it goes. Now I'll put a standard 30 rounder MP5 magazine and see how that one performs. No recoil, absolutely accurate, and it allows you to hit multiple rounds on the same target because the recoil is absolutely minimal. Fantastic gun, loved it. If you want it, you'll have to buy it.
Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9, 10. More in the chest area. Nothing here. Look. All in the well, from about 15 yards, I guess we got a headshot. That says pretty much enough for the accuracy of this gun. Very, very accurate. Loved it. One or two outs, but mostly all in it.